Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting this new chapter, surface areas and volumes, and this is exercise 13.1. This is question number 1 कि a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. Full stop. It is opened at the top. हमको जो है एक प्लास्टिक का बॉक्स बनाना है. जैसे ये प्लास्टिक का बॉक्स है, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है 1.5 मीटर. दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस बॉक्स 1.5 मीटर. और इसकी ब्रेड्थ कितनी है, दिस बी 1.25 मीटर एंड दिस इज द हाइट 65 सेंटीमीटर. तो व्हाट यू आर गिवन, लेंथ इज गिवन 1.5 मीटर, ब्रेड्थ इज गिवन 1.25 मीटर and height is given 65 centimeter. So first I will convert this centimeter into the meter, so by dividing 100. So 65 upon 100 it will become 0.65 meter. So what is the height of the plastic box? That is 0.65 meter. Okay, now question is this कि this box is opened at the top. Suppose this is the box. ये बॉक्स है आपका पूरा, इसमें जस्ट सी हियर एंड दिस इज ओपन एट द टॉप, यानी दिस सरफेस इज नॉट देयर, दिस सरफेस इज नॉट देयर. द क्वेश्चन इज दिस, द फर्स्ट पार्ट, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सीट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मेकिंग द बॉक्स. अब इस बॉक्स को बनाने में कितना एरिया लगेगा इफ़ इट इज ओपन एट द टॉप. तो देन जस्ट सी हियर, since the box is opened at the top, therefore plastic sheet required to make the box will be surface area of the box, surface area of the box. And which surface will be used, just look here. The first one is this is the first wall, this is the second wall, this is the third wall and this is the fourth wall. Yani this lateral surface area, which is also called as area of 4 walls, this lateral surface area plus this base which contains length and breadth. So what will be the area of plastic sheet required to make the box? Surface area of the box. ठीक है, तो what will be that surface area? That will be this lateral surface area, these 4 surfaces, 1, 2, this third and this is fourth, plus this area of the base, that is length into breadth. So what will be happen there now? 2 into L plus B into H, this is the lateral surface area, plus length into breadth is the base area. Now just put the values, 2 into 1.5 into 1.25 multiply with 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25. Now just add them, 1.5 plus 1.25, this will become 2.75. So this is 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 plus, if you will multiply them, so you will get 1.875. Now 2 into 2.75, this will become 5.5 into 0.65 plus 1.875. Add these two, 5.5 into 0.65, this will become 3.575 plus 1.875. When you will add them, you will get 5.450, that is 5.45 meter square. So what is the area of the sheet required to make the box? That is 5.45 meter square. Second part is find the cost of the sheet. ठीक है, if the cost of 1 meter square is 20 rupee, you have to find the cost of the sheet. If the rate of 1 meter square is rupee 20, so therefore the total cost of the sheet will be this rupee 20 multiplied with 5.45. When you will multiply them, you will get 109 rupees. Okay, 109 rupees. Now this is question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. You are given the length of the room L is given 5 meter, breadth of the room B is given 4 meter and the height of the room H is given 3 meter. Okay, question is this: find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So where you have to whitewash on the 4 walls and the ceiling. So first, the area of the 4 walls. Area of the 4 walls is given by this formula 2 into L plus B into H. Now put the values 2, 5 plus 4 into 3. You will get 54 meter square. This is the area of 4 walls. Okay, which is given by the formula 2 into L plus B into H. When you will put all the values, you will get 54 meter square. Now area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling. If you see a room, the length and the breadth dimensions are there in the ceiling. So that will be length into breadth, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 meter square. Now the question is this: you have to find the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls and the ceiling. So now the total area of the room which is to be whitewashed, वो रूम का टोटल एरिया क्या होगा जिसमें हमने वाइट वॉश करना है. तो दैट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स विच इज 54 प्लस एरिया ऑफ द सीलिंग दैट इज 20. इफ यू विल ऐड देम वी विल गेट 74 मीटर स्क्वायर. यानी 74 मीटर स्क्वायर को आपने क्या करना है, वाइट वॉश्ड. नाउ द कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग, तो दैट विल बी rupees 7.50, rupees 7.50 into 74. When you will multiply them, you will get rupees 555. Is it okay? Now this is question number 3rd. The floor of a rectangular has a perimeter 250 meter. किसी रेक्टेंगुलर हॉल का पेरीमीटर जो है 250 मीटर है. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. और आपको गिवन है कि जो हॉल की चारों वॉल्स हैं उनको पेंट करने का जो कॉस्ट है दैट इज 15,000. ठीक है, और कैसे है, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेट कितना है आपका गिवन, दैट इज 10 रुपीज़ 10. रुपीज़ 10 इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग per meter square. तो suppose कि let the length of the hall is L, breadth is B and the height is H. According to question you are given कि perimeter of the floor, perimeter of the floor. तो just see the floor of any room, that is a rectangle and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B. And this 2 into L plus B is given 250 meter. 250 meter. Now one more thing is given there. The cost of painting the 4 walls. So first, the area of the 4 walls that will be given by 2 into L plus B into H. So what is the value of 2 into L plus B? That is 250 into H. So this is the area of the 4 walls which is to be painted. Okay, ये जो 250 into H एरिया है इसको हमने क्या करना है, पेंट करना है. एंड कॉस्ट इज गिवन रुपीज़ 10. तो देयरफॉर टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग द 4 walls दैट विल बी रुपीज़ 10 into area of 4 walls which was 250 into H. So when you will multiply them, 10 into 250 into H, that will be 2500 H. 2500 H is the cost of painting. But in the question, this cost is given 15,000. The cost is given 15,000. Therefore, this cost 2500 H will be equal to 15,000. Therefore, H will be, this 2500 will come to the denominator, and if you will divide, you will get 6 meter. So what is the height of the hall? That is 6 meter. Now this is question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. पेंट कितना दे रखा है आपको? द पेंट इन ए कंटेनर इज सफिशिएंट टू पेंट एन एरिया दैट इज 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो व्हेन वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 100 into 100. So therefore the paint in a container is sufficient to paint an area is equal to, that will be 9.375 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. Is it there? How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? इस कंटेनर के पेंट से कितनी जो ब्रिक्स हैं वो पेंट हो सकती हैं? इफ द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द ब्रिक्स आर गिवन. लेंथ ऑफ ब्रिक इज 22.5, ब्रेड्थ इज 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो फर्स्ट जस्ट सी व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ ब्रिक विच इज टू बी पेंटेड आउट. कोई भी ब्रिक है उसका कौन सा एरिया पेंटेड आउट होगा? तो जस्ट लुक हियर, सपोज दिस इज द ब्रिक. तो दिस एरिया, दिस एरिया, दिस एरिया, दिस एरिया, दिस एरिया, दिस एरिया, दैट इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ वन ब्रिक इज टू बी पेंटेड आउट. तो देयरफॉर द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ वन ब्रिक विच इज टू बी पेंटेड आउट विल बी द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द ब्रिक, दैट विल बी गिवन बाय 2 into L into B, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So this 22.5 into 10 is 225, 10 into 7.5 will be 75 and 7.5 into double 2.5 will be 168.75. Now add this bracket, we will get 468.75. 2 into 468.75 will be 937.50 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो उस ब्रिक का कौन सा एरिया पेंट होगा? 937.50 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. और कंटेनर में पेंट कितने एरिया को पेंट कर सकता है? दैट इज 9.375 into 100 into 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स विच कैन बी पेंटेड, कितनी ब्रिक्स ऐसी होंगी जो पेंट हो सकती हैं? तो दैट विल बी गिवन बाय दिस एरिया 9.375 into 100 into 100 divided by this area of one brick which is painted 937.50 divided by this. When you will divide this, you will get 100. Okay, so how many bricks were there? 100 bricks can be painted out. Now this is question number 5. A cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. Edge of cubical box, small a is given 10 centimeter square, and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Dimension of cuboidal box is given. L is 12.5, B is 10 centimeter, edge is 8 centimeter. Question is this first part, which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So first we will find the lateral surface area of both the boxes. So this is the lateral surface area of the cubical box is 4a square, that is 4 into a is given 10 square, that is 400 centimeter square, and lateral surface area of cuboidal box is given by 2 into L plus B into H. So that is 2, L is given 12.5 plus B is 10 into 8. Just add them. 12.5 and 10, 22.5 into 2 into 8. 2 into 22.5, 45 into 8, which is 360 centimeter square. So what is the lateral surface area of cubical box? That is 400 centimeter square, and the lateral surface area of cuboidal box is 360 centimeter square. Question is this, कि which box has the greater lateral surface area? So just see here, this cubical box has the greater surface area, and by how much? 400 minus 360. So therefore the lateral surface area of cubical box is greater by 400 minus 360, which is 40 centimeter square. And the second part is this: which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Now, the total surface area of the cubical box is given by 6 into side square, 6 into a square, that is 6 into 10 square, which is given by 600 centimeter square. Now, the total surface area of cuboidal box is given by 2 into LB plus H into L. So just put the values to 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. 12.5 into 10 is 125, 10 into 8 is 80, 8 into 12.5 is 100, so 125 or 80, 205 plus 100, 305, 2 into 305, which is 610 centimeter square. Question is this: which figure has the smaller total surface area? Now just look here. What is the total surface area of cubical box? 600. And the cuboidal box has the total surface area 610 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ से क्लियर है कि ये जो आपका क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स है इसका सरफेस एरिया क्या है, ज़्यादा है. तो कम किसका है, आपका क्यूबिकल बॉक्स का. तो देयरफॉर द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ cubical box is smaller by 610 minus 600, that is 10 centimeter square. So which box has the smaller total surface area? The cubical box has. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.